Have you ever asked an AI tool a question and received an answer that wasn't quite what you were looking for? Then you rephrased the question, added a little more detail, and suddenly the response became far more useful. If so, you've already experienced the importance of prompt engineering. As AI tools become increasingly common in the workplace, professionals are discovering that getting great results isn't just about using AI. It's about knowing how to communicate effectively. That's where prompt engineering comes in. In this video, we'll explore what prompt engineering is, why it matters, and how a few simple adjustments can help you get better results from AI tools. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the practice of creating clear instructions that help AI generate more useful responses. Think of it like giving directions to a colleague. If you simply say, "Create a report," they'll probably need more information before getting started. What type of report? Who is it for? What should it include? AI works in a similar way. The more clarity you provide, the easier it becomes for the system to deliver the information you're looking for. The good news is that prompt engineering isn't a technical skill reserved for programmers. It's a communication skill that anyone can learn. What makes a strong prompt? One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is being too general. For example, "Tell me about project management." This will likely generate a broad explanation. Now consider, explain project management to a new employee using simple language and provide a practical workplace example. The second prompt gives the AI much more direction. Strong prompts often include three important elements. Context, explain the situation or background information. Objective, clearly state what you want the AI to do. Audience or format, specify who the response is for or how it should be presented. These small details can make a significant difference in the quality of the output. A simple tip for beginners. Before submitting a prompt, ask yourself 3 questions. Have I explained the situation clearly? Have I stated the outcome I want? Have I identified who the response is for? If the answer to any of these questions is no, consider adding more detail. In many cases, a few extra words can dramatically improve the response you receive. Prompt engineering in action. Let's look at a workplace example. Imagine you're preparing for a job interview. Instead of asking, "Help me prepare for an interview," you could ask, "Act as a hiring manager for a project manager role. Ask me 5 interview questions and provide feedback on my answers." The second prompt creates a much more focused and practical experience. The same approach can be applied to writing emails, creating presentations, analyzing information, or solving business challenges. While better prompts can improve results, it's still important to review AI-generated content for accuracy, relevance, and context before using it.